Today I brought for you a really great app. After a long time, but I think I really like this app. Overall, you can practice your speaking by shadowing practice and definitely new words, understanding everything. For example, if you're reading anything or watching anything, while reading, you're not able to understand some words. You don't need to go out of this app. Simply click any word in the article. You will be able to see pronunciation in American English or British English. You can see some examples and try to edit this word. So definitely you want to learn this word, right? So you have to simply save it. Later you can try to practice. Or you can add your own meanings sometime. So there is another option where you can do this. After all doing this, you're going to go to watch some TED Talks or any other YouTube videos inside this app. Suppose you're trying to watch something and you don't understand some subtitles. You can repeat this subtitle clicking this button, pause and resume. And at the end of the day, you are going to click any word from the subtitle and you can try to understand their meaning and also save them. I really liked it because you have some voiceover. It means you're going to listen YouTube video, whatever this person is saying, and try to pause. You have a record button and you have to simply click this record button. Try to practice your speaking. Like this is like a shadowing technique. So I think it's really amazing. If you want to practice English, try such apps also in your daily life, 5, 10, 20 minutes. It's gonna be good. Let's see how this app look like. I already attached a click. Thank you.
This is the app is LingoLand. Let's see how you can practice your English using this app. First of all, we are going to select your language, any one language you want to select, which is your language. If you don't have it, simply click other and go to the next one. Select your favorite categories, how many categories you like it, and then try to continue. So I think I would like to continue only a few of them, not a lot of them. And here we are going to continue next. Here you have to simply sign in with your Google or Facebook, or sign in with Apple. When I continue with Google, here simply I'm going to select one of the email address. Simply you have to select the time where you want to practice daily, so it will be a reminder for you, right? If you don't want to turn on the reminder, try to click the letter. Here is how the app look like for practicing your English, and how this app can help you. I already mentioned a bit of this. Suppose we are going to open this one, TED Talks. Once you're going to open and going to simply view this first one, view. I'm gonna simply click this speaker, so it's connected to YouTube, right? No speaks at the moment. Now here you can see.
So what makes a piece of music beautiful? Well, most musicologists would argue.
So whatever you're going to listen, you'll be seeing subtitle. If you don't know anything, you have to simply click. You can see what. So there are two different pronunciation. Anything you are seeing, anything you're watching, if you don't know any word, you can simply click it.
Musicologist.
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 There are two pronunciation. The pronunciation from one is from definitely US and the second is UK. Here you have above translation button. You have to simply
Well, most musicologists would argue that repetition is a key aspect of beauty.
This is how you can simply listen it if you want to listen as example, right? Clicking again,
Musicologist.
and here we have translation. If you want to simply select one of your language, which will help you translate. All right, and one more thing is I want to tell you. For example, I select this one.
Motif.
Okay, motif. Here we have a view details and save. If you want to click save, this button or this word will be saved into your account and later you can learn it, right? But if you click the view details,
Motif.
yes, motif, here you have more details. Make a sentence, add your own meaning, and mark as a noun, right? There are different buttons, as you can see this. Motif repeats itself throughout a text. All right. Suppose I want to make a sentence. You have to simply click this. Okay, making a sentence, I need something more, but we don't want to do this. We have to start with free. Add your meaning. You have to simply write their meaning that you know it, and simply OK to save it, which will be also added here into your list. And definitely here you have more. So definitely that's it, I would say. And here is how you're going to keep listening video, and if you don't know, try to understand new vocabulary. Back, and we have here arrange, rewrite, and voiceover. If you want to simply voiceover, you're going to simply see, for example, here, speak slowly.
So what makes a piece of music beautiful?
Now you can record, like it's a more shadowing practice. So what makes a piece of music beautiful? So what makes a piece of musical beautiful? So what makes a piece of music beautiful? Now the last one is not pronounced correctly, that's why it's showing red. So what makes a piece of music? So the last beautiful couldn't record it well. So everything is clear. The pronunciation beautiful is red because the word is not completely yet pronounced and suddenly I stopped it. If you have any kind of errors, you have to simply report any error and you have to continue.
Well, most musicologists would argue that repetition is a key aspect of beauty.
Well, most musicologists would argue that repetition is a key aspect of the beautiful. So why is it stopping? Because we have to do it faster as the second that this person said it, but I am not saying it as it is. So that's the problem. All right, so voiceover is the means for practicing your here signaling. Here's all, like which part you want to practice. If you want to rewrite any one of them, simply click and write to rewrite. So this is a rewrite practice. For example, try to listen.
You may notice that in fact the relationship between each pair of dots is distinct.
So there are some hint. For example, this is M word. Another hint is ma. So if you don't know, you can try to select a hint. So it's a fill in the blanks exercise for you if you want to practice. When I exit here, more exercise here is arrange exercise. Arrange is something you have to simply select word.
Lakhan was a very famous mathematician. He's famous.
GABA is correct. All right. So now that's how you have to do this. Well, I'm just giving you some exercise how you to do this, but later you have to do it at home. Moving back here, you have more different latest news and latest videos and what else? Yeah, here we can go to video and there's list videos and news. If you want to simply click the news, so you will be seeing articles. For example, massive eruption storm South Africa, and okay, suppose I'm gonna simply click 1 hour ago. That's okay. This is 1 hour ago they have published, right? I'm gonna simply click this article. When I'm gonna click this, and here what we have is that we can read this article, right? So if you're reading while you don't know anything, simply click this word.
Evidently.
Yes, evidently. So it will help you to pronounce accurately, right? How you can pronounce it. That's the one definitely great way to enhance your vocab, pronunciation, and speaking with voiceover that we learned before. Here you have more details. Right?
Evidently.
So that's all how you're going to go back. Simply go to here another button, which is more vocabulary and 6 folders. And at this moment, we have a lot of vocabulary with folders, level by level. For example, A1 level. Gonna simply click this one and let me wait for it. For example, hello and goodbye. Numbers, family, colors, months. I'm gonna simply numbers and seasons here. January, February. So it's for beginners. They can practice the English definitely overall. I'm gonna simply go to the first one and selecting one of them. Here you have the flashcard. Simply click the flash.
Welcome.
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 Okay, got it.
Welcome. Welcome.
So there are 2 different pronunciations.
Sorry.
So one by one you can learn. There are so many topics, and if you're a beginner, you'll be able to learn all of them. In this, learn new word. For example, hello. You can also flip this. So now it's a saving that I just try to type. Okay, saved. This is more about achievements that we learned so far, and they will show you, one strike freeze and etc. This is my main profile, and we have more upgrade system. Here we have your native language and select favorite categories. That's it. If you have any kind of questions and you got any errors, let me know. And I'm not sure, I just have installed this app because I really like this. It gives me great. One more interesting thing is you want it more free, 100% try idiom. So idiom and this app are both similar. I'm gonna give you logo beside this. I can see that. Thank you for watching.